Assalamu alaikum. This is just a short video on um, some more items on custom layout windows, so how to add things and how to take things away. So the first thing we'll do is I'll start the software up. So once the software is booting up, click on the minutes just to get the things moving a bit. We wait for the software to get up. Over here, so you press anywhere on the screen, press Shift C, and then once Shift C has been pressed, you can see the custom layout window which pops up here. So now I've said in the past, always make sure you do backups of whatever before you do any changes. So make sure you always got a backup of it. So if something does go wrong, at least you can revert back to what originally was. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to add azan clocks. So azan clocks is a feature which I've put in, but some masjids use it, some masjids don't. So I'm not going to really mess about with the layout of it, but too much. But I'll give you a brief description of what you can do. So you can change the fonts. So I've selected fonts here. The one I like is the liquid crystal one. Don't change the font size. Change the font size in here. So we'll just make it nice and big, which is that. We'll change a nice black color. Selecting that, selecting black, selecting OK. Sorry. One thing to bear in mind, the color 0 doesn't really exist. So select a color which is close to black, but which is not black. So you can see that something's come up. Okay, so Azan, this is Azan Fajr. So it'll be based on this Fajr time here. Now to actually use it, so the Fajr time here at the moment it says 5:45 and showing Azan time is 5:40. If I right click, go to miscellaneous, go to Fajr. It says 5 minutes here. So this is basically saying 5 minutes before Fajr Jamaat time, we have the Azan take place. So we'll change it to 9 minutes. Press set, press exit, and lo and behold, it's changed to 5:45, 9 minutes. So this time here is directly in reference to this time that you see here. Okay, so that's basically adding Azan time zone. Another one which I get asked on frequently is if I want to add a piece of text which does certain things. I've covered it in another video, second Jummah times, but I'll just cover it in this video as well. You look through to find something called variable text, and you find one which is empty, so variable text 2, empty here. I'll make the font size nice and big again. Make it 60 this time. So this is a piece of text which has just magically appeared on the screen. We'll make it a bit wider so that it actually fits it. So I'll do 5,000. Give it a bit of a height as well. 1,300. So that's that done. So it says hello to, so that should give you an idea of where that piece of text is. Right click and go to set message, variable text, and this is the bit where you can actually set the text. There you go, hello to. You can change it to salams. Press set, press exit, and that text has now changed to salams. But so this is how you can add other text. Another one people like using is it's the clock face. So the clock face is, we'll use this Fajr clock face. Fajr clock face at the moment, again, is visible, it's invisible. Let's switch it on. Let's put it into view. It's probably sitting somewhere off the screen. There you go, we've got a clock view. Can drag it to where we want. And we can also change the size of the clock handles. And you can have a negative value as well. So let's make it -5. So these would be smaller than that. It's called size factor. One thing to bear in mind is once you anything just with clock faces, you have to change the height. So just change the height to anything. Just make it 1 pixel bigger, and that is the thing that actually makes a change. To actually see the change, Close the software, start it up again, go back in here, and there you go. That's your new clock face, nice and safe. That's it. Jazakallah. Thank you for watching this video.